Well, here we are. We got $100 in, and we're on Stinky Rich. Skunks Gone Wild. There's the Progressive at 1385, and it's a new machine here at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. And Double A Z Slots is going to go ahead and see what we can do. Let's try to hit it big. This nice little fun game here. And we're going to go ahead and go gold bet, which is 125. And we're going to go ahead and let's warm it up a little bit. Looks pretty fun. The main thing is try to get as many of your key riches on reels 1, 2, and 3 for the games. Get 3 of your trash for cash award pick bonus also. Make sure y'all hit that like button, pass it on to your family and friends. And I'd like to thank the viewers out there hitting my first video, over 1,000 views on that one. So hopefully we'll be able to get a bonus out of this one. Just enjoy it. Try to get a bonus out of this one. Try to get a line hit on this. Sometimes Mr. Skunk there wants to throw some wilds. He can throw as many wilds he wants over here. Well, let's come on now. That's pretty good. There's my neighbor got a pretty good one, and the missus. Love coming here to enjoy a nice little time. Try to get it up. We're down 20 already. Ah, there was our first hit. Oh, let's see what we can do. Let's try to get that. Wow, there we go. That's a nice little wild there. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Ah, that's a good line hit. Oh, you could have been down a little bit. Oh, there is the key to riches. I just needed one more on the side. There we go. What do you got? What do you got going on over here? Let's just start throwing all these wilds everywhere. Come on, Mr. This. Here we go. 5 of a kind. Got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 free games playing on 100 line. Let's see what we can do. Let's press the button or touch the screen. Well, let me touch that screen. There we go. Let's get it going. Get some line hits there, Skunky. Pop around. I think I got a couple 5 of a kind. Pretty nice little hit. Got 15 on them. Get 15 of those 21. That's the whole idea about coming to the gaming establishment. Just try to enjoy fun, having fun. Let's see what he's got for us there. Well, I say that's pretty good. We got the misses. See what the missus has for us. Look, a nice little look like 87. Pretty good. That's a pretty nice little hit. Well, there was more than that. Oh, wow. 9 of 15, 10 of 15. Oh, let's get some more. I want to get a couple more hits. A couple more line hits, please. Last one. Well, we got 110.25 of credit on that. That's pretty nice. That's a nice little bonus. A massive win. Let's hopefully you enjoyed that one. That was pretty nice. I like that. That's a pretty nice little cool little game here. 110.25. That's pretty good. Well, let's have a couple backup spins on this. Maybe go to re-trigger on the trigger. We hit it big. That's what my channel's for. It's for you guys to enjoy yourselves. That's what we're here for. Take it down to 170. Oh, that's real nice. I'll do about 4 more spins. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more for good luck. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and leave it at that. And that was Stinking Rich Skunks Gone Wild. Really had a good time. Hopefully you all hit that like button and pass it on to your family and friends. I really had a good time here at the High Winds. They got a lot of good games, and I would like to see if my family and friends will just go ahead and share this video with your family and friends and pass on to AAZ Slots. They were here for your entertainment and for the Nearly Gaming Establishment. And if you have any comments on a machine you'd like to see, just hit it down on the comments section of the video, and we'll see what we can do as soon as possible. We go ahead and try to find the machine and then go ahead and play. So keep in mind, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to my channel, AAZ Slots. Thank you and have a good one.